What's going on, people? It's your boy Skinny. In this video I'll be showing you a tip that is going to save you tons of money, i.e. tons of time. Now this tip here is pretty much the best tip that you can pretty much use for any vehicle, and this tip entails an internet connection and Facebook. All you need to do is download Facebook before you call your dealer, before you call AA, because sometimes maybe the warranty that you're expecting to use, it might be Sunday 9 p.m, no one's available and you can't get to use that warranty. So what that entails is you need to download Facebook, find out the make and model of your car, whether it's a Ford Fiesta, a Ford Focus, or a Fabia. What you need to do is go onto Facebook, you're going to click onto the menu section, you're going to go down to the groups, and then you're going to type in on the search bar the name of your car. For my car, that would be a Golf R. So I'm going to type in Golf R. Now that I've typed in Golf R, I've joined a lot of groups because it's a thing I've discovered, and I found it always helps me whenever I have an issue with my car, i.e. my bath. I'm going to join the UK Golf Owners Club for me, i.e. Mark 7, Mark 7.5 and Mark 8. There's loads of them that you can go into. Now, for me, if you have a problem, i.e. paddle shifters, you want to know which ones to get because there's so many to get. I'm going to type in the search bar. I'm going to click paddle shifter. However, if I've typed it and nothing comes up, or there's not a post that appeals to my concerns or needs, I will then click what's on my mind, click right there, type in the post what I'm feeling, or take a picture or send a video of the noise that I'm hearing. Someone will be able to respond to you quicker than DPD delivers your parcel. And now I've clicked in the search paddle shifter. We've now come up with what are the best paddle shifter extensions to go for, stick on or not. So you've got people that's posted a range of paddle shifters they use. These are the exact ones I have, however mine's are silver. So you have people that posted a picture of how theirs look after. We've got people posting the links, the difference between the OEM versus the one they got. So there's loads of ways you can find solutions to the problems that you face with your car. So don't forget to check out Facebook groups, find out the model and make of your car, join the group of the model of your car, click in the search first, type in the problem that you have. If it's not there, record, take a picture, or write the problem that you have in the group, and someone will be with you to literally support your needs within minutes or hours. It'll be much quicker than DPD. Use that way, you save so much money rather than going to the dealership or going to wherever you bought your car, whoever you've got warranty with, just to go through the process, or for them to tell you, it's a spark plug, or to them to tell you more and less the wrong thing. Now, just because you've got warranty with someone, I'm not cussing any dealership or any warranty given place. I'm just thinking, if you sell Golf, Jaguar, Range Rover, VW, BMW, how are you a specialist in the terms of my car? It's better off to go to a group of specialists that all specialize in that one specific given category. I can go to them and get the best value information rather than someone that's just going to go to the manual or go through what process they need. I'd rather prefer a specialist. So guys, once again, if you like that tip, many more to come. Throw a like, subscribe, or share the video. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching.